This section, we're going to discuss some compliance and observability considerations. Let's start off by considering the controls we need to put in place in order to meet our compliance obligations. So first of all, we need to make sure we have systems that enable us to catch and resolve issues early before they become endemic or problematic, or at the very least before they become noticeable to external users. Next, the systems that we implement should enable us to discover and address issues that may be unknown to us. And whatever the case, we should ensure user transparency. So if a user's data is compromised in any way, we should have a mechanism of notifying the user according to regulation. And we obviously should make sure we have adequate controls around data, especially private and sensitive information. And where possible, we should implement systems and mechanisms that can automatically take action to remediate issues that may arise and hopefully take corrective action without the need for human intervention. And finally, it is important to make sure our observability and telemetry solutions are able to scale with our infrastructure. In the next section, we're going to take a look at data formats. In other words, what are the types of data that we may need to retain, for example, for forensic analysis. In many instances, we need to retain logs, and this can include admin activity logs, system event logs, as well as application logs. We also need to consider metrics, particularly monitoring metrics, as well as trace related information and data, as well as the ability to correlate events across the various data formats. In a subsequent module, we're going to take a look at compliance and observability tools and solutions that are commonly available across cloud platforms.